This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs.
Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 76 of Building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're continuing the ring finger. It's been a little while since I did the bit before this, but now we're back because this issue has arrived and we're up and catching up on past builds. By the power of the gem, we're looking at Silver Surfer again. Galactus coming back. There we go. Feel free to pause, zoom in, read all the words and look at all the lovely pictures. I'm just going to get on to the building part, which is here. So yes, we've got the fingertip and the other bit there that we're going to build in. Put that clip in there and then force that onto the end there, finishing off that bit. Ready for next time when we're going to continue down the rest of the finger, basically. So yeah, Kang the Conqueror, I'm aware of him. He's been in a film. Here we go. Fantastic Four. That film's coming out soon. That's going to look quite good. Back to the original colours and suits. Aaron Kunda, Time to Shine. Don't know who he is, but he's obviously one of the creators. So let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. So this is what we've got. From last time, we've got a couple of pieces, but the importance of this bit is the big fingertip, the ring finger tip. So we're putting this together to begin with. That is going onto there. We've got our shaped T-piece that's going into that hole there. Just like that. That obviously fills in the gap in there, and this goes over the other side exactly the same. If I can get it the right way round. So that bit goes over there like that, and we've got the D-shaped piece that goes in there. Just like that. And that is held together with one of these silver screws. I'm going to need to open that. Maybe two of these silver screws. No, just the one. Wonder why they gave us so many. That's going into that hole there. And that will hold all of that together. Get that nice and secure. A little bit more. There we go. That's not going anywhere. So that is that. Then we need one of these screws to hold the plastic piece inside the metal piece, because it's the plastic piece that actually clips in place. One of those out. Move those over off to the spares pile. So that is going on into there like that, with the one screw holding that together. Doesn't matter which way round that goes because there is no orientation for it. But that is nice and secure in there. And then that goes over there. Obviously the curve matching up with the curve, lining up, because this clip is going to go into there. Just like that. And just like that. Lovely. Nice. So there we go. That is another issue completed. Join me next time when we're going to continue down the finger, just like we've done previous fingers before. But yeah, we've got to do it. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.